My name is Carla Genie, and I work for Serenity Partners. We work in a shared office space here that is shared by about 5 different entities. What is green about this space include the fact that we share things like printers, office supplies, or refrigerators. So instead of there being 5 separate offices with 5 different mini fridges, there's just one of each for all 5 of us, which is great. Probably the coolest feature of the shared workspace is that we have a shared bicycle fleet. Anyone from the organizations housed in this office can use to run errands, to go to meetings. You also have access to helmets and locks and air for your tires. We also have a place where you can fill your water bottles. The majority of our work is done around town within 3 miles of this space. It makes sense just to bike hither-dither, to and fro, here and from. So it's been super helpful, and it's also a lot of fun.